Hello guys, it's your favorite photographer Divan Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a draw light effect in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. But let's just get to it. So once you have your image you want to create the draw light effect, you come right here, then you click, then you get to solid color. So I'll just click solid color. So after clicking, the color picker is going to show from the solid color. So I'll just hit OK. So after hitting, I'll come right here and I will close the visibility of this layer. So I'll just come pick this tool, then I'll just make a selection and this is okay. So after making this selection, I'll come back to this layer mask, then I'll open the visibility of this layer, then I'll click on my keyboard Command I. So after clicking the Command I, this is what's going to happen. So I'll deselect this selection right here, then I'll come to the fader, so I'll fader it. So after that, I'll just close this, then I will duplicate this layer by dragging it down here. So after duplicating it, I'll still come to the mask here, the layer mask, and I'll now click on my Command I on my keyboard. So after doing that, I'll double click this point, then I'll now pick this blue color which it has appeared here, and I'll now click OK. So after clicking OK, I'll select the two layer, then I'll now change the blending mode to color. So after changing the blending mode, you can now see I have the draw light effect. So if you think the effect is much, you can reduce the opacity, which I'm going to reduce it to 75, or you can even increase it more. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial. But for now, see you in the next video.